Hey Spice World fans, this simple garlic confit is the ultimate secret ingredient to add a delicious garlic kick to any of your favorite meals. Let's get started. First, you'll need peeled cloves from 4 garlic bulbs. One hack is to smash your garlic bulbs, removing the individual cloves and placing them in a mason jar. Close the lid and shake it all up for a few minutes, or until the paper falls off, or just use Spice World fresh and peeled garlic. In a medium saucepan, add in your peeled garlic cloves and cover with 2 cups of extra virgin olive oil. Add in 4 sprigs of rosemary and 2 sprigs of thyme, and then simmer it on low heat for about 30 minutes. Remove from the heat and pour the garlic-infused oil into a mason jar, adding in the herbs and, of course, all that tasty garlic. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to a week. Or if you're like us, you're probably ready to eat now. Whether it's spread on toasted bread, tossed with pasta, or used in a marinade, you're sure to enjoy this super simple garlic confit made with Spice World fresh garlic.